I wonder where does the rubbish go to after I throw it in the bin?
Are you wondering where the rubbish goes to after you throw it into the bin? Let me enlighten you. After you throw a rubbish into the bin, it's taken to the landfill by the rubbish truck. There, it's broken down into smaller molecules by decomposition, and biogas is released into the air. Anyways, to help, let me show you a flow chart.
We are dividing the whole process into three main stages: hydrolysis, acidification, and biogas formation. The hydrolysis process is not shown in detail since our flowchart starts with amino acid molecules that are obtained from the decomposition of polypeptide that is found abundantly in domestic waste. During acidification, amino acids react with oxygen gas in the air and undergo further decomposition and conversion with the aid of acetogen. Acetogen is a type of bacteria that is able to carry out the so-called acetogenesis. Its function here is to work as a catalyst that speeds up fermentation of amino acid with intake of oxygen. During this process, hydrogen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide are released, while acetic acid is produced. Acetic acid is the second smallest molecule in the carboxylic acid homologous series. After that, acetic acid will participate in the biogas formation, where it is combined with carbon dioxide gas and hydrogen gas by hydrogenotrific, which is a subgroup of methanogen, a bacteria. Hydrogenotrific uses carbon dioxide as a source of carbon and hydrogen as a reducing agent. Some of the carbon dioxide is reacted with hydrogen to produce methane. By doing so, the bacteria themselves gain electrochemical gradient for the generation of ATP, which is also known as adenosine triphosphate, through chemiosmosis. At last, carbon dioxide and water together with methane gas are produced. As we know, methane gas is a hydrocarbon that can be burnt to provide energy. Since it is produced through biochemical reactions, the process is named biogas formation.
Oh, now I understand where does all the rubbish go to and what happens to them. Thanks, Ferry.
Now that you understand how waste is processed, let me give you a reminder. The waste that we throw every day takes a long time to decompose. Not all waste can be decomposed as shown in the explanation just now. Some waste are non-biodegradable, which means they will remain as on Earth for millions and millions of years and not break down into smaller substances. When all these non-biodegradable waste accumulate, the amount of landfill space required to contain all these waste is increasing. As the amount of land on Earth is limited, we will all eventually reach a point when there is no available land to contain all these waste. So right now, we all have to play a part in conserving the environment.
Oh, so how can I play a part in conserving the environment?
We can all try to minimize the amount of waste we are producing each day through our little daily actions, such as using a towel instead of a tissue paper, or choosing not to use plastic straws whenever we can. This way, we can sustain the Earth for our future generation.
Let's all work together to play a part in conserving our Earth.